Hey everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video, we will tell you about the fastest LCD 3D printers, UNIZ Plus and Pro. Plus and Pro are key models of the Chinese company UNIZ, with headquarters in San Diego, California. The lineup of devices is based on proprietary technology. A unique water cooling system removes the heat generated during printing, and thereby significantly speeds up the process, up to 1,000 cubic centimeters per hour. Another feature of the UNIZ LCD printers is the material used to make the floor of the resin vat. UNIZ claims that it can last at least 1,000 printing hours. Both models have a reinforced frame made of steel and carbon fiber. This solution reduces deformation and increases printing accuracy. The main difference between the two models is the build volume. In the Plus model, it is 192 by 120 by 200 millimeters. Pro has the same build volume with a doubled height along the Z-axis. The only button in the UNIZ 3D printers is located on the front panel, in the center, and also serves as a status indicator. The preparation of files for printing, as well as controlling the printer's operating modes, can be done via the UNIZ desktop application. The printing process can also be controlled via the UNIZ mobile app. UNIZ printers can work with both branded resins and third-party materials. The company's own consumables come in cartridge bottles, are placed in the side compartment when printing. The UNIZ range of materials includes more than a dozen resins for everyday use and engineering purposes for dentists and jewelers. Want to find out more about 3D printers or even buy one right now? Just head straight to top3dshop.com. Have more questions? Please leave a comment, call us, or visit our website. Our contact information is in the description below this video. We will help you choose a 3D printer that's best for you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See you soon!